Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a flashlight. This is from Olight. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside the box. This has a great design. This is ArkPro flashlight. Let's open it and see what we have. When you rotate this area, it's going to change the mode. And here is the center button. Here is the area for the magnetic charge right there. That's wireless. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here we have USB-C area. You can close it like that. And here is the button. When you rotate it, you can select it. You see right there. Let's check the feature. We have center button over here. And you need to rotate to select the mode right there. This is UV, pure flood, and spotlight. When we look at the right side, there is laser beam. And we'll look at the left side, there is USB-C charging port. Let's open it. Left side, USB-C input. Right side, laser beam. Let's open this area. At the bottom, there is magnetic charging place. This has some grips. You can just grab it easily and hold it. It's not gonna slip from your hand. Let's see what we have at the bottom. This is the wireless charging, USB-A to wireless charging. We're gonna go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna use one power bank and put it like that. Now it's charging. You see, this is red LED light. That means it is charging. Let's check the user manual. It talks about ArkPro Lite, ArkPro, and ArkPro Ultra. It talks about everything it has right here. Let's test the UV light, left side. Right now it's on, and they sent the piece of paper. You can test it out. You can see it right there. Pro Performance powers your boldest adventures. This is Pro. And we have the laser right there. You see, that's green laser. You can turn on the laser right here. Let me turn it off. Like that. You can see it like that. And here is the UV light. This is pure floodlight. Like that. And we can check the spotlight. Oh, that's awesome. And you can change it to brighter one, and this is the lowest one. I'm gonna go ahead and test it during the nighttime. In my backyard, and everywhere is very dark. You see, I cannot see anything. And we can go ahead and test the laser first. You see, you can go anywhere you want, like that. How about the UV light? This is UV. And I'm gonna test the UV inside the house. Let's turn this off. Now we can choose the light. For example, here you can't see anything, but with this you can see it 2 times. Wow, check this out. Turn off, and this is the floodlight. You see, what about 2 times? Right now, this is normal light, but when you press twice, the brightness is too high right now. Let's check the other light. See, this is the spotlight. 2 times. You can turn it off, and you can turn it on. See, this is the lowest brightness. This is the highest brightness. Let's check the laser, how strong it is and how bright it is. You see, right there, it is very strong. So I'm outside, I'm walking around. It's a little bit dark. Let's see. How about the other one? Yep. See. Laser. Even you can see it in the sky. There are so many clouds. Let me test it over here. What about spot? See during cloudy time. Oh my god, check this out. It is very cloudy right now. Let's check the UV light. Normally, this is the room. Let's see. You can see everything. How about the walls? There is some fingerprints. What about the ceiling? This is awesome. What about the kids' room? This is awesome. Normally when you check this out, there is no text or nothing, but let me turn off the lights and use this. You see this? You can see all the text, but when I turn on the lights, there's nothing. You see? Right there. Everything is right there. This is awesome.